Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. In today's class, I would love to explain the classes of zone we have. In my previous video, it's not like I'm doing a new video again. I already did a video on all this today's topic, but this is just as a reminder, okay? That don't forget this. Try to know all this zone before you enter any trade. And the first one I would love to talk about today is our what? It's our order block. I mainly talk about this order block. You know why? Because it's very important. And you know the second zone. And we all know what is order block. That is the third candle that came, the candle that come before the fair value gap. Okay. And we also know what is fair value gap and how to do it in my channel. I already did a video on it. And the next zone I would love to talk about is our supply and demand zone. What do you mean by the word supply and demand zone? The word supply and demand zone is what? The last sell candle before the movement that broke the structure, if it's a downward movement, okay? And if it's an that is a bullish trend, you can say a last sell candle before the movement that broke the structure. Very simple. And the other zone I would love to talk about is what? The mitigation zone. What do you mean by the word mitigation? The mitigation is the same thing as what? Breaker block, but there's a little bit different. First, let me explain what you mean by the word breaker block. The breaker block is what? When the market enter your order block and it break through your order block, what? And it break through your, that is, it mitigate the zone. That is, it cross through the zone backward and then came back and touched the zone again. Then it continued the now downward movement. The difference between mitigation block and what? Breaker block is what? If you mark your order block, right, before the movement broke, that break the zone, the mitigation zone is the market will not cross the previous high. The market will not cross, like the market will not surpass the previous high before mitigate it. Okay, this is what we're talking about, and I'll drop all the video beside this and you'll see everything. And the other type of zone I love to talk about here is we have a quasi-module zone. Yes, that's what we call a quasi-module zone. We have different other types of zone. We still have a liquidity zone, like double top and double bottom traders. All these zones, try to be aware of all these strategies before you can enter your trade. You don't know how wide the market is until you lose to it. You don't even know until you lose some money to it. To know how wide the market is. Okay, this is all I have for you this afternoon. And if you love to know all these things I'm talking about, I've already did a video on everything in my channel, so you can kindly do subscribe and watch for more videos. Okay, thanks for watching.